friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the final episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series 2024. Merry Christmas Eve, my friends. Can you believe tomorrow is Christmas Day? OMG, it's here. I can't believe we're at the end of my ChristKwan series. I want to thank y'all for joining me. Hope y'all enjoy my festive holiday recipes. And for more of those, check out my Christmas Treats Recipes playlist. Well, to end my ChristKwan series, I got a great treat to share with y'all. Are you hosting or going to a holiday brunch and don't know what to bring? Well, here's something you can make at the last minute. We're going to make eggnog biscuits. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be loaded with eggnog flavor, drizzle on top with an eggnog glaze. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and these are so addictive, you'll need to make another batch. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, almond snowball cookies. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your eggnog, and whatever you cut your biscuits with sugar, because we're about to bake some eggnog biscuit magic and have a biscuit eating good time in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. We need 2 cups of self-rising flour. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement and we're going to fluff it up. And level it off. Voila, perfect cup. And we're going to pour it into my large bowl. Now we need 1 more. And that's our 2 cups of self-rising flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in our warm spices, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Give it a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, next we're going to add in our fat, a 1/2 cup of butter flavor shortening, and it's nice and cold. You can also use butter or lard or regular shortening. And that's the secret to perfect fluffy biscuits. Make sure your fat and your liquids are nice and cold. And using a pastry cutter, or you can use a fork, we're going to cut the shortening in until it reaches coarse crumbs. Alright, my friends, our flour has nice coarse crumbs. That's exactly what we want. Excellent. Now it's time to add in the star of the show. The eggnog. Going to add in 1 cup of cold eggnog. You can use store-bought or homemade. I'll post the link to my homemade eggnog recipe down below in the description box. And stir until it's well blended. The dough will be wet and sticky. Also, if using store-bought eggnog, use a good quality brand. Really makes a difference. Alright, my friends, I am through mixing up my dough. It's nice and sticky. That looks great. I can smell the eggnog and the spices. Now we're going to pour it on the lightly floured surface. Gonna add on a little flour to my dough and knead it a few times. And you can add on a little bit more flour if your dough is too sticky, but be careful not to add too much. And as soon as I get through kneading up my dough, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through kneading up my dough, soft and squishy like a pillow. So using my hands, we're going to flatten the dough, like so. And fold it about 3 times. We're making layers. Now we're ready to cut them. Using a glass, or you can use a biscuit cutter. We're just going to gently push it down like so. Be careful not to twist it. Just like that. Isn't that a beautiful biscuit? Alright, as soon as I get through cutting the rest of my biscuits, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my biscuits cut, and off camera, I placed them on a 9 by 13-inch baking pan that I lined with parchment paper. And now I'm going to brush them with some eggnog on top, so when they come out of the oven, they'll be nice and golden brown. Okie dokie, now we are ready to put these beautiful biscuits in the oven. Oven's preheated to 450 degrees. Gonna let them bake for 14 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell biscuits. I just taken them out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Beautiful golden brown. So now we're going to let them cool completely. And while they're cooling, let's make our eggnog glaze. In my bowl and sifter, we're going to add in 1 cup of powdered sugar and a pinch of table salt. And sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. Alright, to our powdered sugar and salt, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled, 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of eggnog. Give it a stir until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I am through mixing up my glaze, and this is the consistency I'm looking for. That looks great. So now our biscuits are cool. We are ready to give them some sugar. Off camera, I place my biscuits onto my platter, and we're just going to drizzle the glaze right on top. And for the finishing touch, we're going to sprinkle on some ground cinnamon. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Eggnog biscuits. Don't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my plate right here. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this biscuit. Look at that glaze and the flaky layers. Have a bite. Gorgeous texture. Fluffy, tender. I could taste the eggnog and the spices, and that glaze is incredible. These eggnog biscuits are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Eggnog biscuit-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.